The 4 best NFT games of 2023 are right here, guys. I'm going to review this for you right now. So let's get straight into it. After this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Let's roll the video. So number 1, guys, is Axie Infinity. What an incredible game. Everyone knows what this is. And right now it is blowing back up. Axie Infinity is a fantastic game. Go over to axieinfinity.com, all right? You can start your adventure with some free Axies. That's why people like this, because you can actually get involved with free, all right? Every single one of them has unique abilities and playstyles. It's got epic power-ups, so you can equip them with runes and charms that power up the abilities and unlock new. Look how cute these little characters are, right? I've actually played this a few times, and I really, really enjoyed it, but the NFTs did get kind of expensive, so the free game is really, really cool. Now, each Axie has their unique strengths based on its genes with billions of genetic combinations and possibles are infinite. That's why it's Axie Infinity, right? You can play this little trailer and it'll show you exactly what it's like. Let me just give you a little look. I'm just going to mute it for you there, guys. You can just take a tiny little look. I'm only going to do it for a couple of seconds so you can see how cute these little things are that are going to be battling for you, but do not be fooled, all right? These will go into battle and tear apart other Axies. So it's more than a game, all right? Battle monsters called Chamara are test your skills against other players in the arena. There's a lot going on in here, but just a quick overview before I move on to the number 2 game. Axie Infinity is a virtual world filled with cute, formidable creatures known as Axies and can be battle bred, collected, and even used to earn resources and collectibles that can be traded on open marketplace. Now, Axie was designed to introduce the world to an exciting new technology called blockchain through a fun, nostalgic, and charming game. So guys, you can do everything you can think of here. Breeding is probably the most fun part of Axie Infinity because you can have an unlimited different kind of Axie. So guys, that's game number 1. Let's move on to game number 2. Let me know in the comments if you played Axie Infinity before. Number 2, guys, is Alien Worlds. Go over to alienworlds.io. Now, Alien Worlds actually kind of creeps me out a little bit, but I am a businessman and I know that getting involved with a project like Alien Worlds is only going to be beneficial for you. So guys, master the metaverse. Alien Worlds is a metaverse built by its community. Collect and play with NFTs, build the planet, syndicates, and more. Okay, so it's completely built by the community. That's why it's so hyped up, because they have the control, okay? Now, what this means is all the explorers like us actually have a say in what goes on. So the member of the community are actually building, obviously, the Battle Dome, the Mission Control, the JR's lands, the Zossen Alien Worlds right now. You can collect and play with all the different NFTs, okay? This can actually be used to build games, applications, events, experience, Kickstarter, and your collection NFTs to get started. Number 1 is Trillium. It's a fungible token that powers the Alien Worlds. Then you've got the NFT items, okay, which help you navigate the metaverse and the virtual land. So guys, there's 3 aspects to what you can get involved in, right? We do have the galactic hubs inside Alien Worlds, which provides great funding year-round to capable teams to build Alien World games, tools, events, and more. And guys, it's overall just a fantastic project. So that's number 2, guys. Let's swiftly move on to the 3rd game that I think is going to blow up in 2023. If you've been in this space, in the NFT space, in the crypto space, in the Web3 space, you'll know that Sandbox took over the world, literally, okay? And it is back with a massive bang. I think I've not seen a bang like this since Snoop Dogg got involved. But guys, if you are following along, you'll start to see that they are sharing an unlimited amount of value, all right? Even things like Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen. It's the first kitchen in there, right? They are taking the world by storm again. So guys, I would not sleep on Sandbox. Now, if you don't know what Sandbox is, let me just show you the map, okay? It was one of the biggest, I won't say the first, Decentraland was quite good as well. It allowed people to purchase squares of the Sandbox. Now, if you zoom in, you can see all the different spaces. If it's got a colored space, that means someone's bought it. So for example, we've got the Walking Dead space here, okay? And you might see some of your favorite influencers here. Now, it's not just buy this square and sit on that square. Inside, you can build anything you want, okay? You can run around on it. Please go on YouTube and have a look at it right now. We might have some on this channel. But guys, get yourself a square on Sandbox, because I do think this is going to be by far the outrunner of all crypto NFT gameplays or adventures there's ever going to be. I honestly do think this will be the biggest. So guys, let's move on to number 4. But Sandbox right now is blowing up everybody's social media. And last but not least, it's Splinterlands, the next generation of collectible card games. Guys, here you can play, trade, and earn. All right, this is the most popular game for trying to get involved with some user-friendly earning. So Magic and Mayhem says the days of the Splinter in the face of the world has been shaped by blood and power as factions battle control prime energies and harnessed and unleashed. Tired of card games that require a huge investment? Well, it's time to play a single session in the rapid battles of Splinterlands. All right, this game is physically unleashed right now. Other online collectible card games sacrifice the real-world value of physical cards for sake of convenience, but we see a much better way. For victory and glory, each battle has different combination, guys. So what I want you to do is learn about how to play, okay? There's 4 rarities, 7 stats, 7 elements, 64 plus abilities, and 500 plus cards, and it is completely powered by blockchain technology. The tournament prizes awarded right now is over 6.8 million. So guys, if you're getting to play to earn right now, please get involved with Splinterlands, okay? That's my 4th game for you, and I truly think this could be the easiest play to earn game. There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.